So I wanted to make a whole video and I completely forgot to record the beginning of me making this recipe, which really sucks. So I'll just include this in some sort of a keto vlog. Yeah, so I completely forgot to, I'm like, I just, you know, like when it's my day off, I just like forget important things I want to do. But anyways, I had 2 bundles of radishes. I just washed them. I took them off their stems and then I just cut them up into quarters and I boiled them. So I got a big pot to boil. Once it started boiling, I put them in for 15 minutes and that is how I got them like this. I put them in the strainer. I ran some cold water. They smell weird. I ran some cold water over them and yeah, they're just chilling there. In the meantime, while they were boiling, I cut up some red onion. This is like, you know, not a lot. I want to say maybe like a quarter of a red onion. I just chopped up really little. And I have 2 hard-boiled eggs right here. I'm waiting to be done. All right, I just chopped up the 2 hard-boiled eggs and I'm just gonna let them cool off before I start mixing everything together, just because I don't know if you can see, but they're steaming hot. So yeah, normally in a potato salad I wouldn't put egg. I know some people do, but I think it's a good idea in this situation because you can get some more fats in. And I kind of wish I got 4 bundles because, like, I don't know if you can see how small this is, but like I could eat that to my face, you know what I mean? Like, I know maybe I shouldn't because of the carbs, so it's good that we'll probably split this and each have a portion tonight, my husband and I. But if you want leftovers, definitely get 4 bushels. I just didn't realize how small they were gonna be, so definitely get 4 because these things were tiny. So I put my onions, my egg, and my radishes in the bowl. And the video that I was watching, which I will link below for you guys if you want the original recipe, it called for celery, but I forgot to buy celery, so I'm not putting celery in it. And then it also measured out, I don't know what the measurements were. I don't know if it was in the description box or whatever, but I don't know if I have the same amount of radishes as them, so I'm gonna eye it out, which is fine because when I used to make potato salad all the time, I never measured out how much mayonnaise or mustard. I just kind of like eyed it out. But that's just me personally. If you want to follow a recipe to the T, be my guest. But I'm the type of cook that just kind of like eye things out, you know, eyes things out. Yeah, I just like to go with the flow and it always comes out good, so that's just how I do it, you know. Also, it said to use brown mustard, and I just have regular mustard, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this. Just a little. So I'm going to give this a stir, and then we'll see if we need any more. Definitely glad that I added the egg. That was a good idea. Okay, that's looking like a good ratio. So now we want to add the seasonings. So I'm going to put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Just a little bit for now because I don't know. We'll have to taste it. And then I'm going to put some black pepper. And we're going to go in with some paprika. And then it also said to add some dill, but I don't have any dill. So I was kind of thinking of putting parsley just for that color. But this is looking really good. I'm gonna taste it just so I can see if I need more seasoning. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it literally tastes like potatoes. What? You guys, this is so exciting. It tastes like potatoes. Wow. I'm so excited. You know what we like to do too in our potato salad is put a little bit of apple cider vinegar because it gives it that tang. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that. So I have this Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I always drink this with lemon water, but I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this in here. Yeah, that should be good. All right, I'm gonna give it another taste test real quick. Wow. You guys, this tastes like a potato salad. This is crazy. I'm just gonna put a little more salt. I like to just salt little by little as I go. Here's what it's looking like. It looks so good, you guys. I'm so happy with it. The texture of these radishes literally feel like potatoes. I have so many more ideas now that I've tried this. I'm gonna make so many things with these radishes. I'm gonna put this in the fridge so it can coagulate. I figured I'd show you guys how I make my keto cheesecake. By the way, my microwave is dirty. Don't judge me. This is about a tablespoon of butter, and I'm just going to melt it. This is the little dish that I make my cheesecake in because I haven't bought a pie pan yet, but I do want to buy one. I just don't have one right now, so I've only made it one time before. I don't really measure things out, guys. I really don't. I looked at a bunch of recipes and I didn't go off of one. I just looked at a bunch and just kind of did what I wanted. So yeah, if you need to follow a perfect recipe, definitely look one up because I'm not the best with perfect recipes. I just kind of put things together and they come out really good. I guess I just have like a green thumb, but like with cooking, if that makes any sense. What I'm gonna do is add some almond flour and a little bit of this Swerve brown sugar. It's so hard to film. I mean, I should bring my tripod down here, but I'm lazy. So I tried to be better for you guys, and I measured. There's 3 tablespoons of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or about 2 tablespoons. It's a little bit less. And I'm just using a fork, and I'm just gonna mash this all together. All right, it ended up not being enough, so I added another tablespoon of butter and then 3 more tablespoons of almond flour. So that is going to be 2 tablespoons butter, 6 tablespoons almond flour. I didn't add any more brown sugar. I felt like it had enough brown sugar. So now you just get in there and get dirty. You just gotta smush it and make it fit, you know? I already have my oven preheating at 350. Here's how she looks. Last time I only had crust on the bottom, but my husband requested, he wanted a little bit of a lip on the crust. So it doesn't go up all the way, but I made it come up a little bit. I think that's pretty good. It looks really, really good. And so, like I said, I have my oven at 350 and we're just gonna pop her in here. I'll let you guys know how long it takes because I literally can't remember. I just figure it out. So I'm just gonna put the timer on. Let's put it for 10 minutes and then we'll check on it. All right, so I may have done it a tad bit too long. I put it in for 14 minutes because it didn't look done at 10. So maybe do like 11, 12 minutes, okay guys? It's a little bit more brown than I had it last time, but I think it's still gonna turn out fine. You wanna let this completely cool before you put the filling in, but I'm waiting for my cream cheese to get at room temperature, and then I'm going to show you guys how I make filling. Okay, so we're switching to voice over here because it got really loud in my house, but I have one block of cream cheese in the bowl, and then Swerve confectioner's sugar. I think the confectioner's works better with this recipe. Some imitation vanilla extract, lemon juice, and heavy whipping cream. And I will just put the measurements on the bottom of the screen here. And you're going to want to use a hand mixer. Mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's really thick and creamy. And then as soon as your pie crust is cooled down, you can put it into the pie crust and you can top it with some berries if you'd like. And here's what my dinner turned out looking like with the potato salad. I also made these pigs in a blanket type things. I'll leave a video down below of where I got the idea. And here's how the cheesecake looks. It is so amazing, you guys. Highly, highly recommend to do this for a dessert. We do this only on the weekends, but oh my god, it's delicious. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to today's video. I really appreciate it. Please give it a thumbs up if you want more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.